Hello everyone, welcome to Elenog IAS. Today's topic is Anglo-Mysore Wars. These are fought between 1766 and 1799 between British and Mysore Kingdom. The first two wars were fought by Hyder Ali and the second two wars by Tipu Sultan. Now coming to first Anglo-Mysore War. This took place in 1766 to 1769 between Hyder Ali and Lord Macartney, the governor of Madras, supported by Nizam of Hyderabad. They signed a status quo treaty at Madras called Treaty of Madras. Next, Second Anglo-Mysore War. This took place between 1780 and 84 between Warren Hastings, the first Governor General of India, and Hyder Ali. When the war was in middle, the Hyder Ali died of cancer and his son Tipu Sultan carried the second phase. Again, there was no result and Treaty of Mangalore was signed. Next, Third Anglo-Mysore War. It is fought between 1790 and 92 between Lord Cornwallis supported by Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas on the one side and Tipu Sultan. In this war, Tipu Sultan was beaten. In this, a very humiliating treaty known as Treaty of Srirangapatnam was signed. According to it, 50% of kingdom was taken away by British, shared among three victors. They are Rayalaseema region taken by Nizam, Krishna Tungabhadra by Marathas, and parts of Tamil Nadu by British. Also, 3 crore war indemnity was to be paid to British on installments. Till the payment, the two sons of Tipu Sultan were taken to Calcutta as guarantee. Finally, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. It was fought in 1799 between Lord Wellesley and Tipu Sultan. Jaman Shah, the king of Afghanistan, and Napoleon of France were invited by Tipu Sultan. Both did not turn up. Finally, Tipu Sultan was killed and Mysore was captured. Now let us see a question. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Treaty of Srirangapatnam, First Anglo-Mysore War, Treaty of Mangalore, Second Anglo-Mysore War, and C. Treaty of Madras, Third Anglo-Mysore War. The correct answer is B. Treaty of Mangalore in Second Anglo-Mysore War. The other two are Treaty of Srirangapatnam. Actually, it was signed in Third Anglo-Mysore War, and Treaty of Madras in First Anglo-Mysore War. So the final answer is B. Treaty of Mangalore, Second Anglo-Mysore War. Thank you.